One of the areas that has really benefited from technology development has been that of security. We live in times where not knowing where our kids are, even for a few hours, can make us anxious. Handling a bunch of valuable gadgets also makes the likelihood of misplacing one of them higher. Thankfully, there are a number of trackers around now that let you track or trace people, animals, and assets easily. While most of these tracking devices are very basic, giving you only a rough idea of the location of the entity being tracked, there are some that would even do a professional security agency proud with all the features they offer. The Spytek STI_GL300 mini portable real-time GPS tracker is one of them.
Here we go!
Backed by Spytek, a leader in consumer and enterprise GPS tracking gear for over a decade, the compact and cutting-edge STI_GL300 is perfect for tracking your loved ones and valuables when you can't be around. Whether it's your child returning from school, a teenage driver, or valuable personal or company assets, its exceptional GPS technology keeps you up to date in real time. It can provide location updates as often as every 5 seconds, letting you track even fast-moving vehicles. We are looking at you, suspicious spouses. Additionally, you can use the STI_GTL300 to set up a geofence, which is perfect for many cases, like a car owner renting his vehicle out as a cab, or a careful parent creating a fence around their child's commute from home. Measuring just 0.9 by 1.5 by 2.7 inches and weighing 8 ounces, the device is small and light enough to be easily placed in a purse or backpack or attached to a belt. With the available M2 waterproof magnetic case, it can also be very easily attached to the underside of a vehicle. To enhance battery life and tracking accuracy, the device features a built-in accelerometer that detects motions and powers it on or off. This gives it a battery life of up to 2 weeks, keeping you from having to recharge it frequently. Another thoughtful aspect of the STI_GTL300 is that its tracking service plans do not have any activation and cancellation charges. With these convenient month-to-month plans, you are never locked into a long-term contract. So, whether you are worried about an elderly family member wandering off or your teenage daughter making any unauthorized side trips while driving, the STI_GTL300 is the perfect choice for you, and at a very attractive price too. With a really high score of 4.2 on 5 from reviews, it looks like the device's users agree with our positive assessment as well. The accuracy of the device seems to be its biggest plus point. Potential buyers might want to check if it works with their phone service provider before purchasing though. That's about all we have on the Spytek STI_GTL300 mini portable real-time GPS tracker for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews of interesting gadgets here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.